want to move on now to the continuation patterns. In other words, the candlestick patterns that imply that price will continue to go in its current direction. A couple of things to notice here before we dive into the patterns is that there aren't as many continuation patterns as there are reversal patterns, and there aren't simple continuation patterns. We'll start with the complex continuation patterns formed by two candles. The first complex continuation pattern we are going to study is the bullish separating line, which is formed by one medium-sized bearish candle followed by one medium-sized bullish candle that opens with a gap as big as the body of the first bearish candle. The logical interpretation here is very simple. Since the second candle opens with a large gap up and it creates a medium-sized bullish candle, it becomes clear that there is a considerable amount of buying pressure implied in this pattern. The bullish separating line appears when price is going up in order to signal a continuation to the upside. Next we have the bearish separating line, which is the mirror image of the bullish separating line, so it's a bearish continuation pattern. The pattern is formed by a medium-sized bullish candle followed by a medium-sized bearish candle that opens with a gap as large as the body of the first candle. The fact that price opens in the second candle with a large gap down, added to the fact that the second candle has a bearish quality, implies that there is a lot of selling pressure in the market. The bearish separating line will appear when price is going down in order to signal a continuation to the downside. The next pattern is the bullish on-neck line, which is also composed by two candles. The first is a medium-sized bullish candle. The second is a small bearish candle that opens with a considerable gap up. The logical interpretation here is that the fact that the second candle opened with a gap up and was unable to close this gap implies that there is a lot of buying pressure in the market and sellers are not strong enough to fill the gap, which implies that price will continue to go up. The bullish on-neck line appears when price is going up in order to signal a continuation to the upside. Next we have the bearish on-neck line, which is the mirror image of the bullish on-neck line, so it's a bearish continuation pattern composed by two candles in the formation. The first candle is a medium-sized bearish candle, and the second is a small bullish candle that opens with a considerable gap down. The fact that the second candle opened with a gap down and was unable to fill that gap implies a strong selling pressure in the market, and therefore price tends to continue going down. The bearish on-neck line appears when the price is going down in order to signal a continuation to the downside. This covers the complex continuation patterns formed by two candles. Next, we are going to study the complex continuation patterns formed by three candlesticks. I have a ton of free content on my YouTube channel. You can find some basic information and some advanced stuff as well. If you like the material I produce, please consider clicking the like button, subscribing to the channel, activating the notifications button, sharing the video, and leaving your feedback below in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Take care.